The deeper we look into biology, the more connected everything becomes. One of the defining features of nature, perhaps the most defining point of all, is that all biological molecules are connected through their common chemical structures. What makes this remarkable is not only that these transformations are possible, but also that they occur continuously and flawlessly in every living system. Life does not depend on fixed parts, but on fluid exchange, molecules moving between roles and functions as they are needed. For example, any amino acid can be part of any of the tens of thousands of proteins in any cell. They can also be converted into other molecules, such as neurotransmitters and hormones. In this way, all of nature's molecules can be altered to become any others of these biological chemical entities. Nature has built a shared chemical language, and through defined pathways, molecules are dismantled, reshaped, and repurposed, enabling resources to flow to where they are needed most. The more that is discovered about nature, the greater the numbers of these links are found, and the deeper their connections with others are seen to be. Like a Mandelbrot said, their complexity grows the closer and deeper we look. This is also true of cellular mechanisms. DNA repair does not act on a single gene. It acts on all genes simultaneously. Enzymatic proteins that chemically alter other proteins, perhaps by adding a phosphate group to change their properties, do not just work on one, but many at the same time. All mechanisms are interconnected and overlapping. Furthermore, these are not single connections, but multiple. Interconnected mechanisms beyond DNA repair include apoptosis, autophagy, ubiquitin pathways, the immune system, protein folding, antioxidant systems, stem cells, and epigenetic mechanisms. Beyond these systems, there are many others, and we will examine more than 40 altogether, and their importance to health. These systems support our health, and it is when they are disrupted, often by our lifestyles, that we can become unwell. For practical reasons, these systems are described separately, but in living cells, they are inseparable. These links between molecules and mechanisms define the holistic nature of their activities and our health. In this respect, our natural foods do not just fuel us. They reduce inflammation, protect DNA, support protein repair, and help the immune system remain balanced simultaneously. Sleep is not just rest. It is when repair systems synchronize: DNA repair, protein clearance, and immune reset. If we miss our sleep, all of these fall behind together. A 30-minute walk does not just burn calories. It improves antioxidant balance, enhances repair, facilitates protein clearance, supports immunity, and improves sleep. This is why health is not a single factor. It is about how everything connects. These interconnections reveal something profound about nature's molecules, notably those found in natural foods, which have supported our lives for millennia. Each natural molecule is not merely raw material, but an exquisitely specific structure shaped to occupy a precise role at an exact moment with a precise fit within nature's chemical networks. The molecules present in whole natural foods are a part of nature's innate chemical language. Their shapes, structures, and interactivities are recognized, used, shared and repurposed seamlessly. By contrast, many molecules common to ultra-processed foods and the modern environment are novel to biology. Their structures can interfere with and disrupt natural activities, occupying protein binding sites they were never designed for, distorting signaling, overwhelming protective systems, and fragmenting the molecular conversations on which life depends. This contrast highlights the sacrosanct properties of nature's chemistry. Each natural molecule has its own rightful place within a delicately balanced and deeply connected system. Understanding this carries a powerful message. Health is supported when we nourish ourselves with molecules that belong within nature's networks, and it is progressively undermined when we replace them with artificial substitutes that do not share their biological properties.